Hey guys, it's me here with another video, and we are doing a weapons review. Yes, my very first weapon review on the Secret Forces rifle. The lethality is 26 or efficiency. The fire rate is 98, capacity is 50, and mobility is 120. So I'm going to equip everything that is primary. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. And let's see. I'm gonna do random. Let's see. Pool party. Okay. And guys, if you like this video, leave a big thumbs up. So what I am doing is I'm going to do my weapon review on the guns and all that and see how good they are. So right now, I just joined. Okay, 1 kill. Very first kill of the game. Second kill. This gun I really like, but sometimes, I'm not that good with it. But right now, I think I'm getting some good gameplay. I don't know about if you guys think that, but I think I am. Here, let me just switch to that. Okay. So, third, fourth. There's this guy with an overpowered gun, so I'm going to shoot him right here. There, that's better. And I really like this gun because it gives me really good gameplay when I do good, so. Grenade. Now I'm right here. So, right now, guys, I think I'm doing really well. I don't know if you guys think so, but I think I am. So, if you guys think I am doing good for my first weapon review, please leave a thumbs up because that really support my channel because I only have like 1 subscriber. But, yeah. Grenade. Psych. Okay. And I really like this new update because, yeah, and I just committed suicide. But I like these weapons. And I will do a lot more weapon reviews on the level 27s. Oh, and by the way, you get this on level 27. But it is really good. Like, if you have all the stuff for it, it's really good. It looks awesome. And it's just awesome. And I just really like this weapon because people usually hate it because it's overpowered sometimes. But I like it. And Exotic made me use this weapon. I love his videos, and Exotic, I doubt y'all watch this, but if you do, I love your videos, and I would love it if you subscribe to me. That'd be a huge help. And if you do, I will try to support your channel, like giving you money, okay? But anyway, so this gun I really like it because it's just really good and it's awesome. And here, let me lower his health. See, if you combine it with the toy bomber, it is a really, really good weapon. And yeah, so I just got 17 kills with that. It's better than the mech heavy rifle, which I haven't bought yet. But I think I would have to say this is my favorite. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. Where's it at? My favorite. My favorite. And my favorite. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because I work hard on these videos. Well, I tried to, but I don't think you guys will like these, but I just need some support. That's all I need. Oh no. Here, kill me. I'm trying to like okay, whatever. Oh my god, he's trying to do what I do. Boom, you suck. Oh, fuck. You trying to do what I do. Oh, son of a gun, you little. Thank you. Okay. See? It's really overpowered. Hey, mommy. Overpowered weapon. Overpowered weapon. Okay, I lowered his health. I think I can take him. Yeah. He thinks I'm a noob right now, but I will wreck him in 5, 4, 3, 2. Could be like a Zodric up in here. Oh, you kill me? Kill me one more goddamn time. That's what he said in the second most favorite video. I like of him. 10 things a pro does. And go check out his channel. I'll put it in the link description below. But anyway, guys, after this match, I will end it. But this is it's Dead Psychopath signing out.